The National Weather Service in Arkansas has issued a special weather statement for all of Arkansas due to an individual by the name of Baker, or caseoh on Twitch, jumping on a Wii board. People living there have reported tides rising and creating tsunamis in the south, and in the north, earthquakes have been reported. The earthquakes there have a confirmed magnitude of 10.0, higher than the 1960 earthquake in Chile. The tsunamis, however, are around 200 meters high, but can still be dangerous. Basically, we're all going to die or something, I don't know. Earthquake advice is to hide under a screwed-down table that isn't glass because of debris, stay away from falling buildings outside, and windows inside for the south. For the north, head to higher ground or inland and stay away from rivers and streams near the ocean.